Furious fans torsion bar removal on this on the hood here. The factory had a slide piece that came down here, aluminum piece, and it had a little groove that the hood had a section that would just slide in as it opened and closed, and it had torsion bars that ran across the backside underneath the bottom of the hood. And complicated little design, but it worked well. The hood on all these old late B bodies open and closes smooth, real smooth. Just put a little lube on the slide, no big deal. But I took all that off, saved a little weight, and the fiberglass hood, I don't even know if it's got the provisions for it, so I fabricated this. I drilled some lightning holes in the backside. That was fun. So this part here, the black part, is the factory hood hinge. What I've done away with is the slides on each side and the torsion bars that run across the bottom of the hood. And I fabricated this aluminum bracket, just bolted in. It's just mocked up for now. Looks like it may be a little high, so what I'll have to do is notch it right in here. It'll clear that big nut. It'll settle down nicely, clear everything. And do the other side over there, start on the other side. And just run some stove bolts down through it, 3. And not sure how I'm going to pin the front yet. I don't know if I'm going to use hood pins or the factory latch or both. We'll see. We'll get to that. We'll whatever weighs the less and is the least amount of trouble is what we'll end up doing. Because I really do want to get this car on the track. I did get the 400 the pan buttoned up, and tomorrow I'll put the timing chain on and paint the top part of the engine. Degrease it, clean it up. I got to do some of these valve covers, thinking about doing a hydro dip on them. And we'll put for now we'll have to put the stock harmonic balancer back in. Over budget. I just can't afford an SFI balancer right now, so it is what it is. And we'll prime it, and hopefully the engine will be going back in soon. So we've made a lot of progress. COVID-19 success.